Every lady loves option, but no lady goes for another option if they have the best option already. And today in Home Shopping, we bring to you a brand that is indeed the best option. We introduce super skincare products from Amethyst Cosmetics, a brand that has been there and is there to stay. All these courtesy of Chic Cosmetics, the main distributors of Amethyst products in East Africa. Welcome on board. My name is Linda Alela. Well, are you tired of this dry, oily or rough face? We have the best skincare collection on board. Now forget what you have been using if it is not working and take a 30 days challenge with the products that I have on set. A great package of few skincare that you will definitely fall in love with. While on set we have an Amethyst soap, 2 different toners, the refreshing toner and the purifying toner. Then we have 2 different masks, the white peel-off mask and the skin brightening exfoliant mask. And finally, we have the balancing day cream that will work wonders on your face. Well, to give us the cream of it all, I introduce to you Asha, this cute lady from Chic Cosmetics. Remember, they are the only certified distributors of Amethyst products in East Africa. Karibu, Asha. Well, good to have you on set today. So we're here, we're expecting so much from you. You're looking pretty, you're looking good, and I am assuming that what you've been using on your face is the same that you've brought for us today.
Yeah, very true.
So we have the confidence that you're getting the best right here at GBS TV Home Shopping. So tell us more about the products that you have on set, Asha.
We have a set of skincare that is essential for everyone to use on an everyday use.
With my basic knowledge of skincare, I'm assuming that this comes first, the soap, or the cleanser. You called it the cleanser, right?
Yeah.
So tell us more about this.
This is called a gentle soap. It's more like a cleanser. So what you do, you just wash your face with this soap, like on a daily basis, either morning or evening.
So it will help me remove all the traces of makeup.
Yes, it's gonna remove all the traces of makeup or any dirt that you've had during the day.
Okay. Yeah. So and of course the next one, I'm assuming the toners will come next. And I can see we have 2 different toners. So then I'm a bit curious, are we using both the toners at the same time?
No, you don't use both toners at the same time because you know people have different types of skin. That is why we have different toners. For example, there is the refreshing toner. Yeah. Refreshing toner, it has citrus fruit and it doesn't have alcohol. Even if you have the more sensitive skin or react to any alcoholic product, refreshing toner, it's very nice for your skin. So what you do after you use the soap, you use the toner. Yeah.
So the toner, that one comes in a pinkish color, and of course we have this other one here, which is kind of bluish greenish. Yeah.
This is the purifying toner. This is for oily skin. Yeah. Why we say it's for oily skin? Because it has zinc and cucumber in the ingredients that helps to minimize the pores and to remove any excess sebum on the face. Now that is when after toning the face, you come to the day care, the balancing day cream. And here we have the balancing day cream for normal and combination skin. This day cream, this one stays with you the whole day. You go in the sun and everything, because of the ingredients it has, you're not going to get any sunburns or any pigmentation on the skin.
From there, of course, we have the other 2, which are 2 different masks.
Yeah.
And again, also, this question comes again. How do you get to use the 2 different masks?
You can do this 2 or 3 times a week. Maybe for one day you can do the mask, and then the other time you can do the scrub. The skin brightening exfoliant mask is the scrub. Okay, how to tell it's a scrub or it's the mask? It's the ingredients inside the product. Yeah. Like for instance, the skin brightening exfoliant mask, it has bamboo powder.
Okay.
So once you put it on the skin, you can feel the roughness.
So after that,
after this, you just rinse it with water. You just rinse it with water and that's it. You don't need to add any more soap because once you put water on this, it's gonna dissolve and pour.
So and then of course next to the other mask that we have, which is
it's the white
peel-off mask.
Now this is a mask. It's more like a mud mask. So what you do, you just put it on the face and then you leave it to dry like for a few minutes. After that, it's called a white peel-off mask. Once it's peeling, it's removing any dead skin or any dead particles on the face. Yeah. And you can actually see...
It's not even painful, like you told me.
It's not painful.
You know, for some reasons I felt this difference on my skin. And of course we'll be having a couple of questions back at home and you'll be thinking, okay, are these products for women only? Those are the guys who are asking out there.
No. These products, they're not meant for women only. They are for everybody with any skin type. Even men can use the product. Yeah, because it's tested on animals and it's also tested on humans. And the ingredients on the Amethyst products is specifically plant extracts. So there are no chemicals in the
inside
products.
in the products and everything. So you don't need to worry even if you have this sensitive skin. It's been great having you on set, and of course we are hoping that this is definitely going to work wonders.
Yeah, thank you so much.
It's been great here. Well, there you go. You know what to do next. Get calling to place your order. The numbers are right on your screen, and so are the prices. Look great while you do good with Amethyst, and remember to keep calm and love your skin, and you will leave a sparkle everywhere you go. And until next time, I've been your host, Linda Alela. Bye-bye.